Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you are fit and fine. Student, today we are going to start exercise 4.2. So let us start from question number 1. So first of all, read the statement of question number 1. What you have given here. In this statement, we have given or we have to find by how much 22,564 less than 82,357 means we have to find their difference here. So here bigger number is 82,357 and from this number we have to subtract 22,564. We have to find their difference. So first of all, subtract, you start dealing with ones place. So subtract 4 from 7. So what you will get here? 3. Now here this number is smaller, so you have to take borrow from the next place. So you take 1 borrow from here. So this number will become 15 and this number will left 2. Now subtract 6 from 15. So how much you will get? You will get 9. Now subtract here 2, so again take borrow from here. So this number will become 12. So subtract 5 from 12. So how much will left? 7. Now here number 1. So again take borrow from next place. So this will become 11. Now subtract 2 from 11. So how much will left? 9. And how much left here? 7. So now subtract 2 from 7. So how much left? It will be 5. So your answer will be what? 59,793. So that much must be added to this so that it will become like this. So therefore or only directly you can write answer here. No need to write again. So this is your answer. Now read the statement of question number 3. 2 is same, you have to do it yourself. See question 3. Ajay purchased a color TV for rupees 36,450. He got discount 3,280. So we have to find how much he will pay. So cost of TV is what? Question number 3. We write first cost of TV. Cost of TV. So how much it is? It is rupees 36,450. We write the same. Now write the discount. How much discount he got? Discount was rupees 3,280. So we have to subtract the discount from the cost. So what difference we got, that much we have to pay. So in last we have to find how much did he pay. So therefore he paid what? You have to subtract this discount from the cost. So subtract 0 from 0, it will be 0. Now take borrow from left next the place, so it will become 15 and it will left 3. Now subtract 8 from 15, so it will be 7. Now subtract 2 from 3, it will be 1. Subtract 3 from 6, so it will be 3. Again here 3. So that much rupees will be your answer. So this is question number 3. Now question number 4 is also same, 5 is also same, you can do it yourself. Now let us start question number 6. Here in question 6 statement is Sobin earns rupees 8,235 from each month and his expense amount is rupees 7,312. So how much does he save in a month? So this is question number 6. So let us start the solution of this. We write who is he? Sobin. So we write first Sobin earns. So how much he earns? Rupees 8,235. That much amount he is earning. Now his expenses, we write the same. Expenses are how many? They are rupees 7,312. So we have to find how much money he saved in month. So therefore he saved what? So again for saving we have to find their difference. So what is difference here? Subtract 2 from 5, it will be 3. Again 2, now take borrow. So how much left? 9, and here 0, this. So it is therefore rupees 923 is the answer. So this is for the day. Thank you.